Hi, my name is Megan McMaster, and I chose the femur and humerus to explain. The femur is the longest bone in our human body. The femur articulates proximally with the acetabulum, distally with the tibia, and also supports the weight of the entire body. The other bone that I chose, this is the femur. The other bone that I chose is the humerus. The humerus is also one of our longest bones. It is a frequent site of fractures. The proximal epiphysis is attached to the diaphysis and surgical neck. This proximal epiphysis has a ball-shaped humeral head on the medial side, and that articulates with the glenoid cavity, and this creates the shoulder joint. The distal epiphysis has medial and lateral epicondyles. Medial and lateral epicondyles. These are the sites for muscle attachments. Humerus articulates with radius and ulna, which are the lower of the arm bones right here, and they attach at the elbow joint. The humerus is in charge of lifting and most physical activity for the arms.